How to fix Dell WMI provider host high CPU usage in Windows 11. Hello friends, you might be facing high CPU usage due to WMI provider host on your Dell laptop or desktop. The problem occurs due to Dell Alienware Command Center installed on your computer. Follow the steps to fix it. The first step is uninstall Alienware Command Center software. Right-click on Start. Select Installed Apps. Find Alienware Command Center in the list. I am showing you the Alienware Command Center software on Settings app on an image. This one. Alienware Command Center Package Manager. Find Alienware Command Center on your Settings app. Click on three dots and select Uninstall. If any confirmation pop-up appears, click on Yes. On an installation wizard, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the removal. But the process is still not completed because this software tends to install automatically through Windows Update. Thankfully, you can prevent this software from installing by running some commands. Click on Search, type CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt, select Run as Administrator. Click on Yes. Go to the video description. You will find these commands there. Run these commands one by one. Copy the first line, paste into the command prompt and hit Enter. Copy the second line, paste into the command prompt and hit Enter. After running these commands, Windows will block Alienware Command Center. Close the programs. The issue should be fixed now. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.